There they are. The people of Walmart. Look at that girl in the black sweater. Isn't she silly? Look at the other girl. Look how she's standing. People of Walmart. Oh, it's you guys. Sorry.
Excuse you. Talking smack over here.
I know. All right, Daniel, my friend. Let's get you home.
Load him up.
I'm going to give you a shower and a breathing treatment.
Breathing treatment.
Want to have your bath now? Yeah? Hi. You squeaky clean and ready for sleeping. Hi. You ready for sleeping yet? Not quite? Gotta go wash your nebulizer stuff. I'll be right back. Holly's mermaid costume is a little too big for her. There's a tail. Wait, see the front. It's supposed to be like... Oh, it's too big for me, Mother. Oh, Mom, I don't think so. I think it's... I'm not sure I can fit. It's too big. We go to a dog Halloween party. Well, it kind of fits Henry. It's a mermaid. It's a very shiny mermaid. It's a little bit too short because his body is long. But you're a merman.
It's him.
He likes it.
He looks so awesome. You should send him into Sarah like that.
Hey, you look so handsome. Yeah.
You look great.
You look like a drag queen.
I was wondering why you were laughing so much.
Wow, the colors look great with the black. Look at you.
Henry, you look awesome.
He doesn't mind. He's like, okay, Mom, I'll try it on. Don't worry. I'll find you something that fits you. We'll get something else, but it's too big for Holly right now. Let me go show Sarah. Come on. Why aren't you sleeping yet? Because you're looking at your ghosts? Huh? You were asleep before. Alright. You're talking? Good night. I love you. Don't bite your lip. I love you.